Gigiperfectface back with another wig review. 2025, Happy New Year. So I'm bringing it in with this Outre Perfect Hairline True Frontal fully hand tied 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. What does hand tied mean? Oh, the parting's really deep. Right now I'm wearing this wig in a flip over. This is day 3 of me wearing this Fenty. And what's so special about her, she's supposed to be like a widow's peak. I did go in and pluck this wig. This wig does not need to be plucked. You just don't feel like plucking. It's not really mandatory for this wig because it really come like already like plucked with no wig cap or anything. I just pushed my hair back. I already filmed the process. Got to be gel. The texture of this wig, it isn't like a super yaki. It isn't a super silky either. Natural yaki, which is what I would prefer anyway. That's my black type of girl. And I got her in one, the blackest we can go. Of course it sheds when I go in with like my mousse and conditioner that I've been using for this wig. And the front of this wig, where y'all see this like here, I had to, y'all know I pulled out, I had to do edges. It definitely comes with pre-made edges. Pretty good for a beginner. You got pre-plucked hairline, the pre-made edges. It's not a super Dracula type of widow's peak. Customize that and make it to your own. A subtle widow's peak, but nothing too intense. They're getting up there with sensational. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? It has a lot of parting space, so you can do like different types of styles, like the little 2 face buns. I love long hair. The mode 4 pros, the lace, the parting space, the length, and the texture. Pros for this wig. I paid around $50, so I'm not mad, especially for how I'm about to make this wig stretch for 3 months. I'm not saying I'm gonna wear it a whole 3 months in a row, because that's not what's going on, but I'm reinstalling this wig. Obviously it's synthetic. This is holding up after 3 days. With my hairline, my edges. My parting has the makeup in it. Mine to be 28 inches. Hey y'all, so I'm back and today is Thursday. I reviewed this wig earlier in the week and I wanted to come back and let y'all know how, if my opinion changed, and just so y'all can see how the wig is looking after a few days. It's definitely going to dry out fast. So yeah, and this is the current state of it right now, which is how it came. I told y'all the pros early in the video. I don't really have any cons. It's doing everything I expected it to do. Not in a bad way, but it's typical behavior from a synthetic wig. I think I would have to give this an A minus, because I guess the widow's peak could have been more defined. A 90, because the A minus is basically, you know, who got time for all that? I'm really not good with numbers, but y'all get the point. Definitely up there for me to be getting this wig again. I also went in and I touched up my part in my wig. I didn't really take it too much far down in the back, but I did touch it up. So since I first initially reviewed the wig. So as far as the shedding for y'all might be a little different from me. If you're a person that likes to brush your curly wigs, I don't really like to. I only finger comb them. You know, I'm ready to get rid of the wig. I'll then brush it if I like want to end up revamping it or something like that. But as far as if I want to keep the curl pattern, I don't brush them, because that just ruins the curls. It makes it too big. This hair, the way this hair is right now, is big enough for me, and I really would prefer it to be wet right now, but this is what it is right now. At least noticeable shedding, like shedding where you like walking and you see, you know, balls of hair. You're like, where did this come from? Or something crazy like that. But nothing to that extent. This is a style that most of you guys probably was attracted to, which is why I clicked on the video. So yeah, that includes my review on this wig. I think I covered everything. If I didn't, let me know in the comments. But for the most part, I pretty much talked about everything you could discuss with this wig. So make sure you guys to like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. And also attract more people to my channel who are into the wigs like you guys are. So that's this video, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next one.